Hi, Michael Kushner here, and it's time for another HOA Q&A, where I respond to questions posed by California homeowners who live in an HOA. Now, I'm going to do things a little differently this time, because this individual, Jason, who lives in West Covina, ended up hiring our firm after posing this question online. And we took care of it for him with a letter pretty quickly. But the question was unique and novel, so I wanted to bring it up today. Basically, Jason lives in a condominium in West Covina. He inherited a large macaw, one of those talking birds that live a long time, from a relative who could no longer care for it. His neighbor must have seen him come home with the bird, because a couple days after he acquired the bird, he got a letter from the HOA saying that macaws and other talking birds weren't allowed because it was a condominium complex and there was just too many problems with noise. And Jason asked us whether or not that was legal. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. And the answer is no, it's not legal. Civil Code Section 4715 specifically grants homeowners in California the right to keep a dog, a cat, a domesticated bird, or a fish as a pet. And HOAs cannot abrogate or pass rules that conflict with that law. End of story. Now, HOAs can hold homeowners to certain standards under other legal theories, like nuisance, for example. So if the bird were to be loud, unreasonably so, then the HOA could step in, okay, under a nuisance theory because of the noise. But they can't just ban him from having a macaw because it's a talking bird. And that was the issue in this case. Now, there's something weird about the statute. The statute only mentions homeowners. It doesn't mention people that live at the residence, for example, a non-owner, a renter. So conceivably, an HOA could pass a rule that says that renters can't have a bird. What would probably happen is the renter might not be able to sue, but the homeowner could, which is why I've never seen that come up, and it probably never happens in real life. But I thought it was interesting. It was an oversight, obviously, by the legislature. Bottom line is, HOAs can regulate the behavior of pets, like a domesticated bird, but they can't ban them outright. So because this HOA wouldn't back down, we got involved, and we made them back down. This has been another HOA Q&A. If you like this episode, please hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, HOA Hell. If you'd like to suggest a future topic for this HOA Q&A, or you want to just ask a question or submit a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a wonderful day.